Welcome back to Browsing at Your Library. From Tuesday, the 1st of September, we will be reintroducing browsing to your library. We have a few simple steps to make your visit a pleasant one and to keep you safe. When you visit the library, a member of staff will greet you at the door, explaining the procedures in place to keep everyone safe. In order to manage social distancing, we are limiting the number of people in our buildings. When you enter the library, we will ask you to wear a mask and you will need to sanitise your hands. Sanitising your hands means any books you choose to look at but do not borrow do not have to be quarantined. You will need to make sure you have your library card with you. Following government guidelines, we have procedures in place for test and trace. Library staff will record your library membership details and up-to-date contact information. This information will be kept for 21 days and then it will be destroyed. If you are a child in Year 6 and below, you will not be able to browse without adult supervision, but we do have some grab-and-go books for you to take, or you can use our order and collect service so that you can keep on reading. You can continue to pre-book a PC for use, and our order and collect, photocopying and printing services are also available. Newspapers, magazines and toilets remain unavailable. Some of our services have temporarily moved online, like baby rhyme times and story times, and you can always use our electronic library of books, magazines, newspapers and comics. We want to keep you reading and keep you safe.